Are you struggling to streamline your warehousing and logistics? Does managing infrastructure feel overwhelming and inefficient? Introducing our cutting-edge warehouse logistics infrastructure solutions. In transforming your storage and distribution processes. We specialize in creating tailored systems that enhance the flow of goods, maximize storage space, and ensure smooth operations. With our expertise, you can optimize your operations, reduce costs, and enhance productivity. Our team offers tailored solutions that meet your unique challenges, integrating advanced technology and innovative design. Imagine seamlessly moving products in and out of your warehouse, minimizing delays, and boosting your productivity levels. With our services, your logistics challenges can turn into a competitive advantage. Don't let inefficient logistics hold you back any longer. Take action now and revolutionize your warehouse operations for greater efficiency and success. Contact us today for a free consultation. To know more details, visit our website, link in description. Don't forget, like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.